All right, example 2 here, last one for 1-8. A small movie theater has 93 seats in 3 rows. Each row has 2 more seats than the row in front of it. How many seats are in the middle row? So there's, the first thing I'm picking up on there is that there's 3 rows. So we have row 1, row 2, row 3. That's me labeling my expressions ahead of time. It has 93 seats total. So that means when I add them all together, I'm going to have that set equal to 93. Each row has 2 more seats, so plus 2 more seats than the row in front of it. Each row has 2 more seats than the row in front of it. How many seats are in the middle row? Okay. Well, if we think about the starting row, the first row would be row 1. So row 1 would be our x, because remember, there always has to be just a plain old x. So then each row has 2 more seats than the row in front of it. So if row 1 is x, then row 2 is going to be x plus 2, because it has 2 more seats than the row in front of it. And then for row 3, it has 2 more seats than the row in front of it, which would just turn into x plus 4. Okay, so now we're going to use those expressions to make that equation. And you've got to realize here that by them telling you there's 93 seats in those 3 rows, they're telling you that that total is 93. So when I add those together, I'm going to take x plus 2 plus x plus 4 and set that equal to the 93 that I had over there already. 1, 2, 3x plus 6 is equal to 93. Subtract 6. So that's 90 minus 3 would be 87. Yep. And then divide by 3. And again, you should be using your calculator. You don't have to be doing this in your head. I'll do that. 87 divided by 3 is 29. Again, making sure that we're answering the question. Yes, x is equal to 29. And something you could do to avoid making that mistake ever is just automatically going back in and plugging it into each one. So row 1 has 29 seats. 29, 30, 31. So row 2 has 31, which is that middle row that they were looking for. 31, 32, and 33. This is the number of seats. Notice how I'm just labeling everything, being really specific about it. And row 2 is the middle row, so I'm just going to make an answer sentence. The middle row has 31 seats. All right, and there is your 1-8. Go ahead and give those practice problems a try.